When Fitbit Versa was launched, it was pretty amazing for its time. It attempted to bridge the gap between smartwatch and fitness tracker. Then after few years, Fitbit Versa 2 was announced and I'm using it for last 2 years. Don't get me wrong, it is amazing. But nowadays, there are many better smartwatches available. So is it worth it to buy a Fitbit Versa 2 in 2022? To find out, I got this new Fitbit Versa 2 and this is a comprehensive review of Fitbit Versa 2. Let's start with unboxing. Again, no need of knife. Still looks exactly same. We have some paperwork. No need to read this. I'm already using it. This is a charger and one extra long band if your wrists are too big. Apart from that, some more papers. Still it's a USB charger. I thought they will upgrade it to USB-C charger. But no. Anyway, doesn't matter. Also, it doesn't come with brick, same as Apple. First, let's start with design. As you can see, it looks really cool. It has aluminium body with these soft silicone rubber straps and it has only one button over here. Everything else you control with the touch. Of course, you can change these bands very easily. They just come out like this. You can put them back with one click. I guess not that easy.
A few moments later.
Okay, here we go. The main disadvantage of this Fitbit Versa 2 compared to all other smartwatches is that it doesn't have built-in GPS chip. So if you want to track your activity like running, you have to carry your phone as well with you. If you carry only this, it will not track. Of course, it can track steps, but it will not able to track your route. And the biggest advantage is its price. This one comes for $180 without discounts, but usually they will have some discounts going on and then you can buy it for around $140. So this one I got for $140 during holiday season. So if you're looking for a cheap option and you're not a fan of GPS chip, then this is the best option. Apart from that, it has almost everything what you will expect. It has a superb battery life. It can go on for 6-7 days without charging, but you just have to turn off the always on display. If you keep display always on, then of course it will go for 2-3 days maximum. It has heart rate tracker. It will monitor your heart rate 24/7. It can track your sleep as well. If you're comfortable wearing it while sleeping, I usually do because you don't have to charge it every night. So you just have to charge it once in a week. To connect it to your smartwatch, you have to install this Fitbit app. App is same for all the Fitbits, I guess. And you can pair it using Bluetooth to your phone and it works pretty smooth. You can get all the notifications from your phone on your Fitbit. Also, this one has a microphone. So you can access Alexa or something like that using this Fitbit. It had some basic apps like Spotify, Starbucks, etc. But you have to have phone with you. It will not work only with Fitbit. So overall, I would say this Fitbit Versa 2 is not trying to replace your phone unlike other watches like Apple Watch. Therefore, you will not able to do everything on this. And it is not a bad thing. In terms of performance, it's really great. It never gave me trouble. In my experience of last 2 years, it crashed maybe couple of times and it is very accurate in measuring steps or heart rate. Battery life is really good, which was one of the biggest thing for me because I don't want to charge watch every day like a phone. Already have many things to charge and I don't want to add one more thing in that. Therefore, when I go for a trips for 3 or 4 days, I never carry the charger of Fitbit as well. Just charge it before going and absolutely it will last for minimum 6 to 7 days. It is a waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. It works great with Alexa, not that good with Siri and Google. Overall, I would say the two main advantages of this is battery life and price, and the disadvantage is GPS. There is no point comparing it with Apple Watch, which has ECG and camera, because its price is also, I guess, 2 to 3 times of this. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like it on YouTube, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As my old one is still working, maybe I will use 2 of them from now on. Looks good.